In this question, we're going to find the maximum and minimum values of the following trigonometric functions. Part A. Y is equal to 5 minus 3 times sine squared of x. Let's start with sine of x. We know that the maximum value of sine of x is 1 and its minimum value is negative 1. Then, what will be the maximum and minimum values of sine squared of x? Do we just square both sides of the inequality? No, we don't. If we do that, the maximum and minimum values will both be 1. Obviously, that can't be it. Think about it. The value of sine of x is between negative 1 and 1. That means it can be 0. So actually, the minimum value of the square root of sine of x is 0. That is, the values of sine squared of x is between 0 and 1. Then the remaining steps are simple. The maximum value of y would be 5 minus 3 times the minimum value of sine squared of x, which is 0. So the maximum value is 5. And the minimum value of y would be 5 minus 3 times the maximum value of sine squared of x, which is 1. So the minimum value is 2. Part B. The function here is a square of something. Let's find the maximum and minimum values of the expression inside the brackets first. You should know that the maximum value of cosine of x is 1 and its minimum value is negative 1. Then the maximum value of 2 cosine of x plus 4 is 2 times the maximum value of cosine of x plus 4. That is 6. And we find the minimum value of it in a similar way, which will be 2. So the range of values of 2 cosine of x plus 4 must be positive. Thus, we can find the maximum and minimum values of y, which is the square of the above expression, simply by squaring 6 and 2. The maximum and minimum values of the functions are 36 and 4, respectively. This is the case when the value of the expression to be squared ranges from positive to positive. There are two other cases. The second case is when the value of the expression to be squared ranges from negative to negative. For example, if add 4 is changed to minus 4 in the original function, then the range of values of the expression in the brackets will be from negative 6 to negative 2. Squaring them, negative 6 becomes 36 and negative 2 becomes 4. Obviously, 36 is greater than 4. So after squaring them to get the range of values of the function, the minimum will become the maximum and the maximum will become the minimum. The third case, when the range of values of the expression to be squared is from negative to positive. For example, the function y equals the square root of 2 times cosine of x plus 1. The range of values of the expression in the brackets will be from negative 1 to 3. Squaring them, negative 1 becomes 1 and 3 becomes 9. 9 will be the maximum of the function, that's fine. But is 1 the minimum? As in part A, the value to be squared ranges from negative 1 to 3. That is, it includes 0. The square of 0 is 0, and 0 is less than 1. Therefore, the minimum value of the function is 0 instead of 1. Do remember to pay additional attention to this third case when working on similar problems. That's it.